What is going on? How is everybody doing? My name is Eni, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can become an affiliate for Seller. As you guys know, I create content around affiliate marketing, and this one I just want to tell you about the platform Seller. As you can see here, this is my customer profile. So I have some courses that I've already purchased here. However, we're focused on how to become an affiliate, right? In order for you to become an affiliate, you just log in your seller account, then you switch to the affiliate profile, right? When you switch to the affiliate profile, you're going to be greeted with this. If you do not have an affiliate profile, you will see something like this. You don't have an affiliate link yet. Discover the world of affiliate marketing and find a variety of digital products to promote and earn money, or give a creator your email to become their affiliate. So you just have to click here and say access affiliate marketplace, right? Once you do that, you're going to come here, right? Extra income promoting other people's products. This is the major thing that we're focused on. It's called affiliate marketing. As you guys know, we have a lot of platforms that are actually responsible for affiliate marketing here in Nigeria, Africa. As you can see, Seller is the biggest network in Africa when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? The biggest network of digital creators and affiliates in Africa. So they have over 30,000 products, they have over 35,000 merchants, they have over 2,000 affiliate partners, and they have earned over 40 million in affiliate commission. So you also get to see how to join Seller Affiliate Network, by signing up. It gives you the opportunity to sign up here, and you can subscribe right there, and then connect it to your bank account, and so that you get paid to your bank account. You can see a bunch of reviews and testimonials here as well. So, for instance, we have Eva Lodia here, who's a merchant and has sold, products via these affiliate networks. We have we have Moria Indo here, who is a merchant and has sold her products, using their affiliate platform. We have Davis Queen here as well. We have a lot of people there as well. So it's very simple. First thing you have to do is sign up on Seller. The second thing you have to do is upload your product, and then the third thing you have to do is click on your tabs to list your products on the affiliate marketplace. That's if you are trying to boost your sales with Seller's affiliate network as a merchant. You can sign up on Seller, upload your product, and click on the tab to list your products on the affiliate marketplace, right? Here are some frequently asked questions, and then you can start selling with Seller if you want to start selling with them. But as for us, we're going to be focused and want to join the Seller affiliate network. We're just going to hit this button and click on get started right here. Once you click on get started, you're going to see you need to make payments to continue. Get access to the biggest network of digital creators and earn money when you recommend their products to your audience, right? So if you already have a large audience, you have an audience that is, and you have an audience that is open and willing to buy digital products, then Seller is for you. We have affiliate network, 3,000 naira a year. So you're just going to hit on get started here. So once you hit on get started here, you're just going to click on pay now, right? Once you hit pay now, you're going to get out your card. And as you can see right here already, I have my card details ready to go. So I'm just going to hit that and pick it right here. I'm going to blur that from you guys so that, somebody is not using my card details on YouTube. However, after this, you then type in your normal code, type in all necessary details, and then pay 3,000 naira, right? Put in your digital card pin, and then your OTP that is going to be sent to you by your bank, obviously. So once you do that, you authorize, and boom, voila, you're going to get access to a variety of affiliate products, right? So now we have a lot of them here. Oh, wow. So it says here, discover amazing products from creators in Africa. Selar is an e-commerce platform for entrepreneurs and creatives used to sell their content, products, and services across borders without any hassle, right? So, as you can see right here, we have featured products, we have cash out affiliate formula, we have payer business school, we have superstar cookbook, we have ghostwriting income generator, we have a lot of products right here that you can go ahead and sell. We have different categories from wealth and finance, business, content and media, professional arts and crafts, marketing and sales, lifestyle, others, electronics and gadgets, home and office, software and tech, fashion and wares, health and beauty, sports and gaming, baby, automobiles, faith, love and relationships, right? So we have a whole bunch of affiliate products that we can begin to promote. As for me, I would like to promote one of the courses I just purchased right now. So I'm just going to search for it right here. It's called Crypto Profit Kit by Jacto Precious. So as you can see it right here, it's called Crypto Profit Kit. Jacto Precious, it already has about 3,900 sales. And look at that price. So you're going to be getting about 60,000 naira if you're promoting just this product, right? So you're just going to get your affiliate link. And as you can see right here, these are your affiliate links right here. So you can just click on your affiliate links just to look at how it is going to be and the links you're going to be promoting. Remember guys, do not put your affiliate links directly to if you're running ads, and I'm going to show you in my other videos as well how to promote your affiliate links properly and how to use all of these affiliate tools. So this is Jacto Precious, who is teaching about how to earn money in the crypto space, and we're going to be promoting this product. So that being said, in my next video, please remember we're going to be talking all about how we can promote affiliate products using Selar, partner, and also we're going to start making a whole bunch of video. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and Lakija, and I'm going to be dropping fire videos for you guys on affiliate marketing. And until next time, my name is Eni. See you. Bye bye.